Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're diving into a powerful tool that is helping TikTok shop sellers make big money, Fastmoss. If you've been wondering how people are raking in sales through TikTok shops, then this is a video for you. We're going to cover everything you need to know about using Fastmoss to grow your TikTok shop, including some awesome new updates that make product selection and influencer partnerships even easier. Stick around to learn more how you can take full advantage of Fastmoss to boost your sales. So first, let's understand what is Fastmoss. Fastmoss is a data-driven tool that helps sellers grow their TikTok shops. It provides insights to top-performing products, analyzes influencers, and lets you track competitors' performance so you can make smart decisions to boost your shop's sales. With over 700,000 global users, Fastmoss has quickly become a go-to platform for sellers looking to get ahead in the world of TikTok shops. Whether you're new to TikTok shops or an experienced seller, Fastmoss will help you take your business to the next level. So now let's get on with the steps. So step 1, finding the best products with Fastmoss. The first thing you need to do to start making big money on TikTok shop is to pick the right products. Choosing a product that's trending and has high demand is crucial to get traction. Fastmoss makes this easy with their product selection tools. You can search through different product categories, track top-selling items, and discover new products that have high potential for going viral. But here's what Fastmoss takes it a step further. Thanks to the latest updates on their platform, you now have access to 2 powerful new features on the product detail page, which is number 1, the Viral Index. This feature tells you how likely a product is to go viral on TikTok, helping you choose products that have the potential to explode in popularity. And the number 2 would be the popularity score. This gives you a clear ranking of how well a product is performing overall. It's based on factors like sales data and engagement, so you know exactly which products are hot. These tools are game changers because they allow you to focus on products that are not just trending, but are primed to take off. By using Fastmoss, you're getting insider knowledge into which products are worth your time and effort, helping you make decisions with confidence. And now step number 2, boost sales by collaborating with the right influencers. The next step to growing your TikTok shop is partnering with the right influencers. TikTok is a creator-driven platform. Working with the right TikTok influencers can help skyrocket your sales. Fastmoss offers detailed analytics on influencers, showing you their performance, content style, and even their e-commerce potential. In their latest update, Fastmoss has added 2 new fields on the influencer detail page to help you find the best partners for your shop. These are the 2 new fields. Number 1 is the traffic index. This metric shows how much traffic an influencer can drive to your TikTok shop. It's a great way to assess whether an influencer has enough reach to boost your product visibility. And then number 2 would be the e-commerce potential index. This feature analyzes an influencer's ability to generate sales specifically through TikTok Shop. It helps you identify which influencers are not just popular, but are also capable of converting followers into customers. With these new tools, you're no longer guessing which influencers are a good fit. You have the data to make informed choices. You can easily find influencers who align with your brand and have proven success driving sales into TikTok shops. And now let's move on to step number 3, monitoring competitors and gaining insights. To really thrive on TikTok shop, you need to know what your competitors are up to. Fastmoss allows you to track competitor performance by monitoring their shops, products, and marketing strategies. You can see which products they are pushing, how their shops are performing, and even which influencers they are collaborating with. This gives you a sneak peek into what's working for them, so you can either follow their lead or come up with a strategy to outperform them. Competitor monitoring is a huge advantage when you're trying to stay ahead of the game on TikTok Shop. Instead of guessing, you have real-time data on what's happening in the marketplace. And now finally, step number 4, scaling up with precise data and insights. Now that you have your products and influencers in place, the next step is to fine-tune your strategy and scale your business. Fastmoss provides precise data and insights that help you optimize your shop's performance. With their upgraded algorithm, the data you receive is now more accurate than ever before. You can monitor specific metrics like product sales, video performance, live stream engagement, and even shop rankings. Fastmoss also provides additional analytical dimensions, giving you deeper insights that allow you to fine-tune your approach. For example, you can see which of your product is generating the most engagement and sales. This allows you to focus your energy on promoting the right items and using the best tactics to drive more traffic and conversions. Fastmoz also offers real-time data on live shopping events, helping you understand how well your live streams are performing, how many units were sold, and which creators are driving the most sales. This is especially important if you are using TikTok's live shopping feature to boost your shop's visibility. So now, to sum it up, Fastmoz is the ultimate tool for scaling your TikTok shop business. From finding the right products with a viral index and popularity score, to partnering with the best influencers using the traffic index and e-commerce potential index. Fastmoz gives you everything you need to grow fast. If you're serious about making it big on TikTok Shop, there's no better platform to help you succeed. The insights and data provided by Fastmoz gives you a huge advantage over your competition, allowing you to sell smarter and scale faster. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.